Introducing SafeAll's Driveline Pro, the ultimate solution for removing and securing a commercial truck's drive shaft for towing. This flexible and versatile tool is designed to prevent injuries by cradling the drive shaft during removal. Perfect for heavy-duty tow operators and truck mechanics, the Driveline Pro makes the job easier and safer. The innovative design features a lightweight, adjustable locking hanger bar with padded C-brackets that secure tightly against the truck's frame rails. The synthetic rope, equipped with a chafe guard, easily wraps under the drive shaft with snap clips and cinch ratchets, ensuring a quick and secure installation. The flexible synthetic rope allows for easy adjustment. Compact enough to fit in your wrecker's toolbox, the Driveline Pro is user-friendly and requires no additional tools. It includes a second synthetic rope for lateral securement, ensuring complete safety during transport. Make sure the Driveline Pro is in your toolbox, ready for your next job.